Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So we can use here the side key button on the left side of our device, and now as you can see, when I'm just press one or twice press or just hold for a while this button, so just we can just open any applications or just any feature. Just if you want to activate a quick launch, for example, to any applications from this button, we should go into the settings, then scroll down to the easy key. Here you can see this key on this just a picture. Here we can set the single click, double click and long press. So for example, we can set here the easy shuttle, so just to open flashlight or to take a screenshot, or also we can open the application, for example the Google. Here by double click will take a screenshot, and by long press will open the flashlight. And now just we'll try to do this all features just so by single click you can see that the Google application is activated. By double click we just can take a screenshot, and by long press I activated successfully the flashlight. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.